Good morning! Kasama kayo dito, Edwin Nomi. So we're here today, no? Where palakpakan po natin ang Team Bagwis. Kasi sila po yung host ng RPA natin today, no? The Bagwis family and the Bagwis family members, Bagwis team members. Oh, by the way, ganda naman ang OP sa tapat. Yes. Ang ganda naman yan. Kita yung kotse na nakaparking. Okay, so itong bagong-bagong nagkakotse, no? Ang lang nila ngayong builder, sumali sila December 2023. Okay, ang average accumulated monthly income is 50,000. Ang dati pong profesyon, businessman at businesswoman po. We'll call them up on stage, Juliana Ramirez and Alan Ramirez. So, gusto niyo na makita yung kotse nila? Okay, lapit na tayo dun sa kotse ninyo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Next, meron pa tayong isa. Ilang isa? May isa pa. Okay, itong next naman. Ay, grabe, bagong-bago. June 30, 2024 lang sumali. Average accumulated income, 80,000 per month. Tapos ang dating trabaho, housekeeping supervisor. So, let's call Josephine Salak. Okay, so gusto niyo na makita yung kotse niya? Okay, let's go here.